Back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to pretty much make a collage on your Instagram story. Now, there's a few different ways to do this. What you can do is you can always download an application. You can pretty much just type in Collage. PixArt is a really, really big application that many people use, but there's a lot of different, there's this one, there are so many apps, but Instagram also has a native way built in to go and do this. So if you want to do it this way, you can go do it this way, download one of these apps, and pretty much move on from there. But in our specific case, what we're going to do is we're going to use the built-in Instagram, way of doing it. So what we can do is we can make our way over to our Instagram application like so. You want to click on the plus button that's on the top right corner, and you want to go ahead and just click, go to your story. So you can go click on story right here, or better yet, we'll just go to our main page. This is crazy. We can swipe to the side, and we'll basically come into this panel. Now, do you want to post a story of your photos, a reel, or a live? Now, live and reel, I don't think you can include this, but if you want to go ahead and make a story of something, there's a few different options on the left side. So if we click this drop-down menu, you will basically see, create, boomerang, layout, so many different things. What we can do is we can go and click on the layout option, and it's automatically going to allow us to pretty much go through and make a collage of some sort. So we can even change our grid from it being like this to it being something like this if we want it more like this. We have a couple different options here. Now what you can always do is you can go ahead and always upload a photo too. So you can click right here, and let's say I want to add this photo up there. Well, I can go ahead and click that photo here, and let's say I want to go ahead and add a photo here of this. Well, I can go and click here, and what I can do next is I can also go and click on the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, and find another photo. Let's say I want this one. Well, now I have a few different stories and a few different options that I have here, and now this is a collage. You can now technically post this on Instagram as a story or whatever, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is click that accept button, and the photo and the story will post. But let's say you don't like this photo and it doesn't look good. The one thing about Instagram right here is that there's not a crazy amount of customizability, but you still have a lot of capability for sure. But that's pretty much how to do it. You can go and post this as a normal story and a normal, post, and that's pretty much it. But like I mentioned, if you want a little bit more capability, you may want to download an application like one of these ones, under Collage, and that may give you a little bit more capability as well. So those are a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.